Today we're making the Western Sour. It's different from the Eastern Sour, also in this book. So pay attention, learn, make yourself a bourbon tiki drink.
It's good.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan and Derek gonna make for you the Western Sour.
You know what we don't have?
Oh shit, what don't we have?
A glass.
Oh, we can
that we need.
We can figure that out. I don't even know what's supposed to go. Pour
old fashioned.
Unstrained into an old. Oh, perfect. It's right next to your crotch.
All right.
Right there.
I got it.
Yep.
Perfect.
Bingo. Yeah, you slide it straight up.
Down and down.
Yes! This drink is going to have a ½ ounce of fresh lime juice, a 1/4 ounce of sugar syrup, also known as simple syrup. I'm not sure why it says that. Oh, I do. 1/4 ounce of falernum, 3/4 ounce of ginger beer, chilled, did it, 1½ ounces of bourbon, and a dash of Angostura. Now, the problem is 1.5 ounces of bourbon seems too weak. So, how do you amp it up a little bit? You use 120 proof.
We can do that.
Yep. Wow, I think I just hurt myself.
Don't hurt yourself.
Shake with ice. Pour unstrained into an old-fashioned glass. The Western Sour was featured in Stephen Crane's Tiki restaurant chain, circa 1950. The same place, if you watch Steve's Rum Barrel, you will find the same place people invented this one.
I'm not shaking the ginger beer in there, right?
Shit.
No, right?
I would say no.
No, it doesn't say. So here's the thing.
Shake the carbonate?
Yeah. I would say that only.
It doesn't
Well, it doesn't
specify.
say anything.
I will put a link below for this book. This is the Beach Bum Berry remixed. All the recipes will come out of that. And it's...
Well, it's only 3/4 ounce. I mean, it's not even that much.
Yeah, it's probably just for the zing.
Yeah.
So it probably doesn't matter. So this link below, it'll be an affiliate link so I can get my 15 cents or whatever. And then this is the other one, Sippin' Safari. We didn't do any recipes this time out of this one, but next month I'm going to do more tiki because why not?
I mean, who doesn't like tiki?
I love tiki. So the reason this is called sugar syrup is I took it from here. I was trying to put the recipes in on my phone, and I found out you ever see this new feature? You can take a photo, and it will turn it into text.
Oh, nice.
So you could take a photo, and it just puts the text right into your Trello app. Like, bang,
that's
right there.
nice.
That's why it says sugar syrup. I didn't transpose it to simple syrup because I was on my phone, and typing it is a little bit of a pain.
Am I just dumping this right in?
Yes!
All right.
Unstrained.
Dump it.
Into there. Right into that. Simple.
Simple.
Producer, our executive producer is Kyle Wood. If you were as cool as some of the folks like Dana who came into our live stream and it like blast out like the member for 40 months, hello everybody message, like
boom.
Apparently YouTube keeps adding new cool features if you're a paying member, which is like $5. That's the only tier I have. I think you can do more now, but I don't know. I don't mess with that. Nobody uses it anyway, except for my most dedicated and loving fans.
And that should be you.
Right. That was trying to build artificial sympathy, make you feel bad for me for trying all of this stuff and getting no love.
Oh, see?
See?
He needs a little love.
I do.
More than what I can give him.
Yes. What?
Huh?
It looks cool. It looks like a whiskey sour.
Yeah, it looks like a whiskey sour. A little darker. Do you get a lot of ginger beer though? Because I kind of just floated it on top.
I might have got it all. I don't know. Me and you're not gonna get too much ginger because the falernum. You can get this. This is Velvet Falernum liqueur. So I like this one because it lasts a long time. But if you will have a syrup like BG Reynolds Falernum syrup, which I think is the only company that makes it, I sell it at AussDrinks.com. So you can just get it right from me.
Nice.
And that's AussDrinks.com. Coupon code Summer for Fun. Save 20% off until July 31st, 2022. That's my promo. That's my pitch. Like and subscribe. So what do you think?
So it's good. You get you can taste the ango in it.
Yes.
I think the ginger actually comes through, or maybe that's.
There's so
mango?
many things. Yeah, I don't know. And the thing is, this isn't too strong.
This isn't too strong.
I thought I was a.
It's good. It's.
I thought it would be potent, like it would hurt you a little bit, like Tiki's supposed to, but it just melds right in, turns into a fabulous little frame around the rest of the drink, which is like trade spices. If you've got the nutmegs, whatever from the falernum, I think it's allspice is what I'm thinking of. Allspice, nutmeg. Those words are so
That
small.
you're definitely getting there.
Yes. But
It's almost like
I don't put on here what's
some
it.
like fall flavors, but in a summer drink.
Yes, and you don't get a lot of bourbon drinks that are tiki based, except for like maybe the Suffering Bastard. Does that sound like the right drink? Suffering Bastard?
You're not paying
I
attention.
think so.
Nobody cares, but I think it's the Suffering Bastard. It's the only other drink I can think of that might be bourbon, and maybe ginger beer. I don't remember what goes in a Suffering Bastard. There's like 3 different variations of them. We did them one year.
You definitely get
Here.
yeah.
I think you were here.
Mm.
I think each of us made a separate one, actually.
I think we
this.
did.
But I don't remember what's in it. Light, refreshing, not as tiki. The thing that makes tiki is the falernum. The rest of this stuff you can ginger beer.
You can definitely taste the falernum in it.
Yeah.
And there's
Otherwise,
only a quarter ounce of it.
yeah. But
that's potent.
without that, you would just be drinking like a weird whiskey sour.
Yeah, it would be
Or
a
a
ginger.
mule.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be like a mule because it's got these 2 components in
This
it.
definitely comes through. It's good though.
Yeah. And of course, you gotta have your Angostura.
Between these two are probably the
Yeah.
major flavors in the drink.
Other than that, not the most exciting of tiki drinks, but it's a bourbon tiki drink that they tried with by adding the falernum to it. I still like the painkiller. Like, there's drinks that are just like, even the rum barrels, all the different variations are so. There's
This
a lot
is like
of
a
fruit juice
simple-
bombing. Yeah, this is simple, easy
This
to
is
make.
simple. If you want like a bourbon, if you want
Sure.
if you want like a twist on like a whiskey sour,
Yeah.
this is
The rum barrel's not easy. It's like 17 fucking ingredients. So
yeah. I mean, this is
a little bit more manageable.
yeah. It's a little bit more manageable.
You can get that at, what's that place in
Oh, the
Total Wine?
Total Wine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can get it at Total Wine. You probably get it online if you get order from Total Wine. I can't do that, so it doesn't really work for me, but they should have that. Or you go to ostrix.com if you want the syrup. The syrup's going to give you a little added sweetness to it versus this, which has a shelf stability that's a little higher, although my falernum lasts like 3 years. I even have a falernum that I made. I just never used it. It's still in my refrigerator. I should probably do something with that. It's probably bad now.
And the ginger beer actually gives it like a little bit of like a
It's also
nice
sweetness.
like kick.
I like ginger beer.
Yeah.
Holy shit. I
Pretty
forgot.
gingery.
Yeah, Fever Trees just
Yeah.
gets you right here.
It's
Sidebar,
good though.
though.
It's a good drink.
I'm going to throw in the sidebar some videos about Tiki. I got a big list that's got Dan in it. It's got Ian in it. If you go back, the list goes so far
Maybe
back, you'll
both
find
of us in
Curtis,
it.
you'll find Doug. Other guests have probably been in there at some point. It's a very long list because I like Tiki. We redo some of the drinks and come up with different variations or retaste them to make sure they're just as awesome as I thought they were. Maybe next month we could do zombies. I'm not
Yeah.
doing that this month because I wanted to wake up tomorrow. Down below is the Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. I think that's it. Teach you how to drink.